Well, it's Christmas Eve and I finished, well, my preparation yet. No food in start or anything. Black cake in do. Ginger beer, sorrel, none of them. But if it do tomorrow on Christmas Day, then do later now. We rushing nothing. Yeah, anyway, today working on a new project, which is painting this bathroom wall. I already make some preparations and put some newspaper on the floor. I got the paint right there, and I'm changing this color, this burgundy, into this emerald green. Well, it's supposed to be emerald green, but when it go on, you know, I don't know how it changed. So yeah, anyways, the same thing we use. So I got this paint, I got it for a while, but I use it. So now I use it on this. Yeah. The night before Christmas, and of course we're making the pepper pot. This is the meat, drying out all the meat, and the pork belly. Yeah, the meat and the pork, well, it's only 2 people, so we ain't putting a whole set. Yeah, I want to show you myself, but the painting and cleaning up all day, so we're gonna leave it for another day. Then we're adding now the seasoning. Make it taste good. You can't make pepper pot without a different kind of seasoning. Yeah, I'm gonna show you all the finished product. Now to add the secret ingredients, which is casrib.
Putting all the pasta.
Alright, it's steaming up the lens. Yeah. And we putting it, we pressure in it. First, they used to boil it, and it used to take, how long? It used to take hours, right? But we realized modern day cooking is, we use pressure cooker. And faster. Yeah.
But some people
still is boil it. Yeah, some people is still boil it. But we prefer use the pressure cooker and speed up the process. This pepper pot without bread. So we're making the Christmas rolls. And the pepper pot over here. Still pressuring. And the Christmas rolls are finished and soft, so you could use it with the pepper pot. Yeah, so they're gonna be for tomorrow breakfast. Instead of people just eat, I don't know, musty bacon and egg and whatnot, like these we gonna use pepper pot and bread. It's Christmas morning, and I forget I had to match my you know, my TV thing, but still, yeah, this is how the pepper pot look when you finish. I eating my pepper pot, my bread, but at least show you all what I'm eating for Christmas lunch. And it's about after 3 in the afternoon. But anyways, yeah, back to us. This channel, baked chicken, plantain, and this channel sometimes people just call it chickpea, but yeah. And this rice, well, I make the rice, so the fruits. Say hi to the camera. Christmas without Christmas cookies. It looked like little bit, but it's actually enough for two. I'm gonna put little ginger in it. Blend little ginger. Well, they're ready to bake. I'll put these too close, but anyways, it still tastes good. And still bake good. About to put on the second coat. This is dry. This is the first coat. I'm gonna need a second coat to match with this dough. So yeah, this is Boxing Day.